Hello everybody, hope you are doing fantastic, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful illuminated display box. First of all, let's disassemble everything so I can show you step by step. The material I use for the base is a 4mm plywood. I cut it with a CNC laser machine. And the reason why it is a little bit thick is that it is actually a soft box. Its purpose is to illuminate the object from below very evenly, and that's why I use this plastic sheet as a diffuser. But as you see, I have some LEDs installed inside, and there is a RF controller, so I can change the color and the brightness of LEDs. As you see, dear friends, I can change the color, I can even make it like rainbow colors and increase and decrease the brightness of it. As we have the light source, our base, now we need a bent plexiglass. Maybe you won't believe, but I bent it right in my kitchen using an electrical stove. It is not very difficult, but you will need to protect these areas from heating. You will need to heat only the edges of the plexiglass. Shortly, we need to heat only the edges. You can make a simple bending jig by cutting and gluing some wooden pieces together. And of course, if you don't like this method, you can find many other techniques online. Yes, as we have the bent plexiglass, this time we need a background for it. And I made this from wood also, and this is 10 by 15 centimeters because I'm planning to place a photograph on it, and maybe it will be a picture of the displayed toy. Who knows, maybe it will be just a forest image, maybe a desert, you know, as you wish. You can place anything, you can left even like a white color to distribute more light. It's an option, but the idea is that this is the fourth wall of our display, and it is placed like this. The back wall is easily placed by sliding it inside. As you see, it's easy to place it, but it will be more confident when I place the upper lid. And where is the upper lid? It is here. It's not a simple lid, it has a little trick because I placed the mirrors beneath it. They are acrylic, plexi, 1mm thickness only, and they are very helpful because when the light comes from below, it reflects from this lid and sends them down right on our object. So this way is a very efficient way of lighting our object. Just check it out, how red LEDs are reflected on the top of this alien. This is very crazy. Yes, without the mirror, I don't believe that it will be so nice. Whatever. With such a beautiful display box, you can protect your toys and figures from the dust, and you can showcase your products. If you like my design and the idea, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and feel free to share this video with your friends. So stay safe, have a great day, and bye bye!